I remember when I was welding, I would be impatient. I would think that the first weld was gonna be the best one. And it actually helped me grow because you do need to put a lot of time into it, and a lot of patience needs to be into it to be able to get your weld to a good, acceptable weld. What I love about UTI, working at UTI, is I'm able to help the students. I could actually see how their faces light up when I help them, and they're very content with themselves with the weld they've done. The most satisfaction that I got out of welding was, well, to take care of my family and not having to ask for help. That really mattered a lot to me. Field is a wonderful field if you pick the right one you like. There's so many wonderful things you can see and touch and different metals, and it's just a great, I love this field. It's a great field to be in.